Soft snowfall, glowing Christmas tree lights, whispers of joy fill these winter nights. Laughter and love warm every heart. Christmas is here, a brand new start.
Candles flicker, the stars softly gleam. Children are dreaming their sweetest dream. Carols of hope drift through the sky. Peace on earth, our hearts leave light.
Fireside stories and cocoa delight. Families gathered, spirits so bright. Under the mistletoe, hearts intertwine. Magic of Christmas, forever divine. Through frosty windows, the angels sing tales of wonder, the sleigh bells bring. Love surrounds us, gentle and clear, wishing the world a joyful year. Soft snowfall,